Hello everybody, this is Nathan and welcome back to another video. Today in Pick and Review, we are going to be talking about the Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2C. I have the trimmer right here and I want to talk about the stuff you get with it and everything. Let's read this box. It has 0.5 millimeter precision and 40 length settings. Right. It has a USB Type-C, a 90-minute of runtime. It says 90-minute, but trust me, this is it does crazy on battery life. It's crazy. So I was really impressed with the battery life it gave me. And so in the box you get the trimmer. So we get two of these, that's right. And you get a user manual, a charging cable, you get a travel pouch, which was pretty good. It was a long black pouch, and this one in it, quality wise amazing. And a cleaning brush. You have settings here. So when you roll this, let me put this on and show you. So when you roll that, it goes up and down, right? So the reason they gave you two brushes is they said, like they said here, 40 length settings. So you have 0 to 10 millimeters right here. 0 is nothing. You put this on, right? So you're on 1.5 now. So that's 1.5. So 0 is none. When you put this on, it's 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, and similarly goes by decimal 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 10. Now this is 10, right? And when you take it off and you go back to 0, you get another brush of similar kind. When you put that on, that takes it to 11, like 10.5, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it goes all the way up to 20 millimeters. That's why it has 40 length settings. There's 40 length settings in this. Battery life, amazing. I bought this trimmer on the 6th of April, 2024. I got it then for 999 rupees, which is 11.79 USD. So like I showed you all, that this is 0, and then 1.5, it goes up to 10. So now you get this other extension, which starts with 11. So it's 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12, all the way to 20 millimeters. Let's talk about its build quality. Plastic body, plastic that, all plastic. It has the power button right there. And the dial here, the charging indicator is there. And back here, you have the Type-C charging port right there. So if you hold this pressed, you see that blink? So that means now it's gone to safety lock mode, which means if you press this, whatever you do with it, it's telling you that it's in safety lock, it's not going to turn on. Pretty cool. And then how you get out of it is just long press again. And it's on. Press the like button if you want more of these kind of videos, and subscribe so you don't miss any of them.